Hi guys, this is Alphic graphics. Then today in this video we're looking at something something little but very critical. So if you're in Photoshop and then you are facing this, I'm trying to select a layer and then drag it, move it. It's not even working. It's not even allowing me in the first place because he's saying that no layers are selected. Meanwhile I'm trying to select it and it's not working. And you can see this is a citation design done by me through Carve Studio. Carve Studio is a design agency. I mean, the best I could recommend. So you can know more about them in the description. Yeah, so I'm trying to click on it and then it's not working. And the reason being so is that there is something that is being selected that is not allowing you to do that. Okay, so in this video we are going to look at how to fix it. It's very simple. Yeah, so all you have to do is just to go to select, okay, come to select and then come all the way down. You can see edit in quick mask mode and it's checked. So all you have to do is to uncheck that. Okay, uncheck it, and once you uncheck it, and then you'll be able to drag whatever you want to drag and then work on it. Yeah, so I guess I was doing some mask work and then that got checked. So all you have to do is just to come to select, edit in quick mask mode and then uncheck it, edit in quick mask mode and then uncheck it. Yeah, so it's quite simple but stressful. Yeah, so that's all for today. So if you find this helpful, can you like it and then share it with someone in need? Thanks.